All right, agents, I want you to take note here of the time up here at the top corner of the screen, 1:45. And essentially, I have this email drafted up here that I'm about to send off. I need a scope ASAP based on the inspection response. We'll talk about that here in a sec. And I've got the inspection report attached here, and I've got a screenshot of all those items. So I'm going to send that off. 1:46 is when that one went off. So let's look over here. You can see the inspection response here: repair, replace missing loose trim, sealed off opening, repair, replace moisture, to repair kitchen sink links. Basically we've got all the standard items. We've got a full inspection report here, PDF. I'm intentionally not showing you guys the address because I'm trying to maintain the privacy of the people involved here. But taking a look here, you can see it's all the standard things. This is a full, 38-page inspection report. And, putting together that scope of work can be difficult. You got to get people through. You got to coordinate a variety of different contractors. We are a little bit different. We're Off Leash Construction, and we have now a full service team that does everything from small maintenance all the way up to major renovations, with most of our trades all in-house and ready to support you and your team. A lot of the time, these are really high-speed type of situations that you guys are dealing with when you're needing to get a quote on these properties last minute. And we actually have a tool now. It's quotes at offleashconstruction.com. It uses AI in our existing price book and a little bit of magic sauce to go through and very quickly analyze the inspection report. Any items that you want repaired that you can find either in the inspection response or in your email to us, and then gets back to you usually within about 5 minutes. Sometimes it can take a little bit longer in order to get you guys the information you need to have an understanding of whether it makes sense to ask for a credit, whether it makes sense to actually ask for the items to be repaired, or whether you want to get a discount in order to do those repairs after the close. So a lot of different opportunities there for you guys to be successful. But I'm going to pause this here with a little bit of movie magic and come back when we've got a full report sitting there for you. And there we have it. By 1:49, sitting in our inbox. About 3 or 4 minutes later, we have a full 3 minutes. There we go, nailed it. We have a full scope of work here, breaking down the 6 actionable repair items that were here on the list. It looks like 7 was that they wanted the seller to make a claim on the roof. It's obviously not something a contractor can do on your behalf, and puts together a rough scope of work for about $1,600. And it has our information. Again, we would love to follow up with any type of in-person validation of these numbers, but we think this gives you a really good idea to quickly understand, does a deal potentially make sense, or is this something that, hey, we're just gonna have to break up on? So we'd love to work with you guys. Please feel free to email us at quotes@offleashconstruction.com, and I will definitely check it out.